Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you the Andorid Auto installed on the MINI Cooper 2015, and we installed it to the factory screen. We're using the factory iDrive to allow us to control all the features in here. So we can go to the home button, we can go to our maps. If we have the Waze, we can press here and go to our regular maps or to the Waze. We can go also to our music center. So anything you have on Andorid Auto, you can see it here. Okay, so we have it in here on the top. And if we have other type of music, we have Spotify, podcasts, pretty much anything you have on Andorid Auto. For Andorid Auto add-on to a variety of vehicles and for other electronics, you can always find this at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.